Searching for a headband magnifier glass feels like picking from identical twins, same lenses, same lights, same claims. But the real difference isn't in the photos, it's in how they actually feel after 2 hours of soldering or cross-stitch. Today, we cut through the noise. Product number 1, YOCTOSUN Basic LED Loop. First up is the YOCTOSUN LED Head Magnifier, a solid starter at $23. It looks simple, but what caught my eye was the dual-wear style, glasses or headband. If you want something affordable that doesn't lock you into one fit, this is worth a serious look. The acrylic lenses are lightweight and scratch-resistant, which helps during long craft sessions. Plus, the built-in rechargeable battery means no more buying AAs, just plug in the USB cable and you're good for hours. With over 5,000 sold last month, it's clearly hitting a sweet spot for casual users. Now, some people complained about the nose pads feeling stiff after an hour. Here's the thing though, if you're doing quick tasks like threading a needle or inspecting jewelry, it's barely noticeable. But if you plan on wearing it for marathon painting sessions, you might feel it. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist who dabbles in small projects and wants reliable lighting without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need super high magnification or plan to wear it all day. For under $25, it delivers solid value. Product number 2, Dilzacui 14X Pro Magnifier. Now, if YOCTOSUN's Max 3.5X wasn't enough, this Dilzacui model goes all the way to 14X, and that's a game changer for detail work. Priced at $33, it's still reasonable but packs serious optical power. That means you can go from reading tiny watch parts to examining coin engravings without swapping tools. The adjustable LED array lets you angle the light exactly where you need it, no more shadows blocking your view. And at just 7.4 ounces, it's surprisingly light for its capability. Now, some people complained about the battery compartment feeling loose over time. Here's the thing though, as long as you charge it properly and don't charge while the light's on, as the manual warns, it holds up fine. Just be gentle with the USB port. This is perfect for you if you're into electronics repair, model building, or jewelry restoration and need serious zoom. Skip this one if you only do light sewing or reading, it's overkill. For the price, it's one of the most flexible options out there. Product number 3, COYLAPY Comfort Visor. Alright, that was a powerhouse. But the next one, COYLAPY, focuses less on max zoom and more on comfort during long sessions. At $31, it's designed for folks who wear prescription glasses or spend hours on needlework. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It fits comfortably over your regular glasses thanks to its padded leather-covered headband and adjustable height knobs. The 1.5x to 3.5x range is ideal for reading pill labels or doing fine embroidery without eye strain. Plus, the 4 LED lights are bright but not harsh, and the Type-C charging is a nice modern touch. Now, some people complained it's heavier than expected at 14.4 ounces. Here's the thing though, if you're used to wearing safety goggles or reading glasses all day, you'll barely notice. But if you have a smaller head or sensitivity to weight, it might feel bulky. This is perfect for you if you're a senior, someone with low vision, or a crafter who wears glasses. Skip this one if you need magnification above 3.5x. It's not the flashiest, but for daily comfort, it's hard to beat. Product number 4, YOCTOSUN Pro with Case. Now, if you love the first YOCTOSUN but want a more premium feel, this upgraded version adds a storage case and better build quality for $39. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Same 5 lenses, 1x to 3.5x. Same rechargeable battery, but now you get a hard protective case. Perfect if you travel with your tools or store them in a cluttered drawer. The lenses are still acrylic, but the frame feels sturdier and the nose pads are softer. The LED lasts 4-5 hours and charging takes just 40 minutes. Now, some people complain the case makes it bulkier to carry. Here's the thing though, if you're gifting this or using it at home, the case is a huge plus. But if you need something ultra-portable, it's slightly less convenient. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, gift-ready magnifier for crafts or minor repairs. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget, The basic YOCTOSUN does nearly the same job for $15 less. Still, the case and polish make it a standout. Product number 5, YOCTOSUN 4 LED Workhorse. Finally, another YOCTOSUN, but this one shines with 4 adjustable LEDs, giving you brighter, more even illumination for $24. Here's why this matters for you specifically. More lights mean better visibility in shadowed areas like inside electronics or under fabric folds. The lenses are the familiar 1x to 3.5x set, but the extra lighting makes details pop. At 13.1 ounces, it's midweight, not too heavy, not too flimsy. Now, some people complain the lens slots can feel a bit tight when swapping. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of the click system, it's smooth, just don't force it. This is perfect for you if you work in dim spaces or need consistent lighting for soldering or painting. Skip this one if you already have great ambient light, you might not notice the LED difference. For under $25, it's a steal for hands-free precision. So which one's right for you? If you're on a budget, the basic YOCTOSUN $23 gets the job done. Need serious zoom? Go Dilzacui $33. For all-day comfort over glasses, COYLAPY $31 wins. Want a gift-ready kit? The YOCTOSUN with case $39 delivers. And if lighting is your priority, the 4 LED YOCTOSUN $24 shines brightest.